तुम्हारी तस्वीर के सहारे मौसम कई गुजारे, मौसमी ना समझो पर इश्क को हमारे, नजरों के सामने मैं आता नहीं तुम्हारे, मगर रहते हो हर पल मंजर तुम हमारे।
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we have come to best reviewed restaurant in Chennai, which is Foodaholic restaurant. So let's go and taste के कैसा है. So this is the outer review. Let's go inside and see what's there. So this is our seating. So we have got seated and this is the outer review. ये देखिए सारे bamboo के model में हैं. These are all bamboos. So they have this kind of model. Begin with menu. This is their menu and see what are all the items they have. So there are variety of items. I'm going through all of them. So now we are going to order mutton fry piece biryani and chicken fry piece biryani and lime soda, plain butter naan. They are having everything in affordable rates, not too high, not too less. So let's go and see how's the taste. See all the decorations of bamboo. So we are waiting for the order. So my nephews are enjoying. Zai. Zaid had just got down to place. We are loving the outer look overall. For each family they have this kind of compartments like you are seeing here for each family. Since we are a large family, they have given us a joint compartment like this.
तो ये ट्रीट पूरा मेरी सिस्टर एंड हर हस्बैंड ये लोग दे रहे हैं. तो इसके बाद हम लोग शॉपिंग भी जाने वाले हैं.
Of course with all the masks and hoodies, everything, because since the climate is cold. First order is here, mutton fry piece and mutton boneless biryani. Our naan is also here. So our whole order is here and we are getting started. Just look at the biryani first. So here goes the first niwala. It feels just like homely food. We're just about to finish. Ordered some rotis extra. So now the time of review. I will give it a 4.6 star. Everything was absolutely amazing. It was just like a homely food. We loved it. Overall the ambience is also very calm. 100% family restaurant, so definitely I would recommend it. 4.6 from my side. Food was really amazing, homely taste, and the cost is very less. जितने सारे हमने items खाए हैं, इस सारा कॉस्ट कितना हुआ आप सोचेंगे कि 2000 हुआ, 3000 हुआ, बट लेट मी टेल यू इट वाज ओनली 1500 रुपीज़, इंडियन रुपीज़, जो कि बहुत सस्ता है. तो हर कोई आके अफोर्ड कर सकता है और इनके पास थीम भी है अच्छी सी. तो डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू कम एंड ट्राई इट इफ़ यू आर इन चेन्नई. So that was my review from my side. So until I'm in India, I'm going to vlog many interesting things. Stay tuned. So we just came to buy some vegetables after Foodaholic. Some vegetables and fruits. So this is Park. It's a small mall. Nachi Nachi Gato, Nachi Gato. So this is our version. Buying some apple. Rates, offers अच्छे खासे रखे हुए हैं. There are good rates, good affordable rates. देखें, such a beautiful tunic top 400 में है. ये देखें 1000 रुपीज़ में इस तरह के जूट के जो हासिर हम लोग बोलते हैं, द मैट फॉर फूड सर्विंग एंड ऑल. तो इस तरह का है ट्रेडिशनल वे में. जायद, see here. The Spider-Man भी है, Spider-Man. So many bags. Wow.
Spider-Man है.
There is Superman. There's Superman.
ना Superman है ना Captain America.
Who is he?
Captain
Okay.
America है.
Captain. South, why are you saying all this? What is this?
कहीं को कतो.
You want to buy shorts?
ना. हमारे
हाँ. Wow, nice. This is only 1000. So this is all kids section. As always, my favorite. See this cute book. Oh, look here, Zai. There are too many toys. Look here, Zai. There are so many toys. Which one do you want? Which one? What is this so big car? Yellow, plain. Finally finishing off with some fruits and this shopping. So that's it for this vlog, guys. I hope you like this vlog. Like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye. We're back home.